Tiniyak na Malacanang ang kahandaan na ipagtanggol ang mga sangay ng ehekutibo na idinadawit sa pork barrel scam. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda, nananatiling commitment ng Administrasyong Aquino na habulin ang lahat ng sangkot sa nasabing anomalya. Nagulat si Rocky Ignacio mula sa Malacanang live.
Maraming salamat, Ralph. Hindi nga natitinag si Pangulo Aquino na papanagutin ang nasa likod ng maling paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, patuloy na iiral ang tuwid na daan sa ilalim ng Aquino administration. Nanindigan ng Malacanang na hindi ng commitment ni Pangulo Aquino sa tuwid ng pamunuan at tinahitahing report ukol sa pork barrel scam. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, handa ang Aquino administration na ipagtanggoy ang sangay na ehekutibo na ang ilan ay pilit na idinadawit sa anomalya. Kabilang kasi sa sinasabing sangkot sa maling paggamit ng PDAF, ang umanay ilang kaalyado kabilang na sina Budget Secretary Bustabad, Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala at TESDA Director General Joel Villanueva.
That goes into the theory that, everybody's trying to burn the house down. The palace stands ready to defend itself. We in the palace have committed ourselves to Daang Matuwid.
Magkagayman, tiniyak pa rin ng palasyo na wala namang sisinuhin sa investigasyon ng pork barrel scam. Nauna nang binanggit na isa sa whistleblower sa kanyang affidavit ng nakaraang taon na nakipagtransak umano si Abad sa itinuturong mastermind na si Janet Lim Napoles noong nasa Kongreso pa.
Sir, may we know who is investigating Secretary Abad at this point?
There is none because we're waiting for the extended affidavit.
So there's no probe yet that involves any cabinet official.
There are allegations, as you know, but due process would require that the person accused is provided information of the accusation against him.
Sorry.
We have not seen any signed affidavit from Ms. Napoles.
Kasunod dito, pinabulaanan rin ng palasyo ang pagsasangkot kina Rochelle Ahoro, Undersecretary Odette Ong at Lucille Ortiz na umani bagman ni Napoles. Sa statement ni Ong, mahigpit nitong pinabulaanan ng akusasyon pati ng umanong paghawak nito ng Finance at Administration Department ng Office of the President.
I would like to comment on the totality of the information provided by that alleged source. FYI, Lucille Ortile has been out of government for the longest time. She has not been working for the palace or under the executive secretary. She resigned, I believe. Let me check her date of resignation, but she has not been with government since. So I don't know if the source perhaps should update the information. It's definitely incorrect. We have a saying in law, falsus in unus, falsus in omnibus. False in one, false in all. So the fact that you have identified someone who's no longer in government as a bag lady shows the quality of the source.
At yan natin pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTPF. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Salamat, Rocky Ignacio.